guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Shanu and I make videos related to beauty, fashion, lifestyle and travel, and I also upload video every Friday. So you guys can check out my other videos. If you like it, then do hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you guys can get notified whenever I upload a new video. So today's video is all about unboxing Sugarbox 3rd anniversary edition. I was quite excited about this edition because I know, like every year, anniversary edition has to be one of the most favorite boxes that Sugarbox provides. So if you guys are not aware of Sugarbox, then let me tell you guys that this is a subscription box where you can get a box filled with surprises towards the end of the month, and these products can be related to beauty, fashion, lifestyle, travel, anything, and the products are worth more than what the box actually is priced. So if the box is priced for rupees 1500, you will be getting the products that is worth for around 3500 to 4000 rupees. So yeah, it is a very good deal. So all the details regarding the subscription box is going to be listed in the description box, so make sure that you check it out. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just unbox the 3rd anniversary edition of Sugarbox. So this is how the box looks like. It is golden in color and it's my favorite combination, that is black and gold. So the first thing in the box is this card which says we turned 3 and it's all because of you and your support. It's the 3rd anniversary gold edition card and the products are beautifully packaged. So yeah, let's just see what's inside. So the first product in the box are these very cute hand gloves. These are really of a good quality. I mean, I didn't expect it to be this good. So it has got this beautiful faux fur on it and it looks of a very good quality, and also the color is like beige, nude kinda. So basically I can wear this with any good overcoat and it's going to look quite good. Cute thing. So the next product in the box are these cute earmuffs. These earmuffs has got very cute strawberry detailing and it's in my favorite color. I mean, it's in pink and it looks really good. I mean, let me just wear it for you guys. How do I look? So yeah, it's comfortable and it's good. So the next product in the box is this scrub. It is oatmeal lavender declogging scrub. It is organic, natural, cruelty free and completely vegetarian. And the best part about the scrub is it has got no preservatives, no SLS, and yeah, it's completely natural, so I know it's going to be mild. So I'm excited about this product and I'm going to try it really soon. So moving on to the next product, it is in this cute box. I have no idea what's inside. Let's just open it and see. So this box has a very beautiful watch. So it's white in color. I didn't expect a watch, but yeah, I'm not a person who likes wearing watch, but I'm going to wear this. So moving on to the next product, it's this package, small package, and it has got this silver ribbon on it. Let's just open it and see what's inside. Like, I cannot wait. In the package I got these really cute earrings. These are hoops basically, and it has got this star and this rectangular kind of dark green, I don't know what to call this, and you can just detach this and use it just as earrings like the hoop ones, and it's going to look really good. So moving on to the next item, it's this Slingback. So you can use this as a sling bag and also as a clutch bag, and the best part about this, it is the color. I really love the color because you can team it up for formal wear or also with the casual wear, and it's going to look really good. And it says carry it as a sling for a casual day out or flaunt it as a clutch for a formal party or dinner. And I also got Hershey's milk chocolate. If you guys have watched my what's in my carry-on backpack video, you must have seen me carrying this all the time in my bag. I really love Hershey's, so yeah, I'm happy to receive this. So the last item in the box is this very cute sweatshirt. It has got this hoodie and it says cute but psycho. That's exactly me. So yeah, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below and let me know if you want any of such unboxing videos in the future. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video. Bye for now.
fingers down